Welcome to our Motherboard Showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular MSI motherboards, the B550-A PRO and the PRO B650-S. Both motherboards cater to AMD processors, but they come with distinct features that set them apart. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and what makes each one unique. Whether you're a gamer or a PC builder, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. The MSI B550-A PRO features the older B550 chipset and is compatible with the AM4 socket, supporting Ryzen 5000 series processors. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650-S utilizes the newer B650 chipset and AM5 socket, allowing for compatibility with the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. This fundamental difference impacts the performance and upgrade potential of each motherboard significantly. When it comes to memory support, the B550-A PRO is limited to DDR4 RAM, which is sufficient for many users. However, the PRO B650-S takes it a step further by supporting the newer DDR5 RAM, offering higher speeds and better performance for demanding applications. This makes the B650-S a more future-proof option for those looking to maximize their system's capabilities. In terms of connectivity, the B550-A PRO offers standard features but lacks integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. On the other hand, the PRO B650-S comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, along with a faster 2.5 gigabits per second LAN. This makes the B650-S a more versatile choice for users who require modern connectivity solutions for their devices. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A PRO and the MSI PRO B650-S offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for an affordable option with solid performance for gaming, the B550-A PRO is a great choice. However, for those who want the latest features and future-proofing, the PRO B650-S is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.